Welcome to our journey through Burundi, a nation with a rich tapestry of history and culture. Nestled in the heart of Africa, this vibrant land tells a story that stretches back centuries, filled with triumphs, trials, and an enduring spirit that shapes its identity today. In the next few moments, we'll embark on a voyage through time, tracing Burundi's footsteps from ancient kingdoms to the echoes of the World War. We'll witness the resilience of a nation, its path to independence, and the impact of global events on its soil. As we peel back the layers of history, we'll also delve into the vibrant culture that pulses through Burundi. We'll dance to the rhythm of traditional drums, partake in the joy of festivals, and explore customs that create a unique blend of influences from neighboring countries. Our journey doesn't stop at culture. We'll venture into the economic landscape of Burundi, reflecting on its development and the challenges it faces. From the nation's gross domestic product to its strides towards modernization, we'll explore how Burundi is carving its path in the global arena. In the heart of Burundi's culture lies a treasure trove of myths and folklore, tales that add depth to its cultural identity. We'll unveil these stories, discovering how they resonate in everyday life, shaping perceptions and traditions. We'll traverse the diverse states and regions of Burundi, each with its unique features. From the bustling cities to the tranquil countryside, we'll highlight the notable characteristics that make each region distinct. Our expedition will also lead us through Burundi's religious tapestry, exploring the influence of faith on daily life. We'll stand in the shadow of iconic temples and marvel at the serene pagodas that punctuate the landscape. Finally, we'll spotlight Burundi's top tourist destinations. From historic landmarks to breathtaking natural wonders, we'll reveal why these locations are a must-visit for any traveler. Join us as we delve into the heart of Burundi. Let's uncover the stories that lie beneath the surface, explore the culture that pulses through its veins, and discover the charm that makes this nation truly unique. Burundi's history is a fascinating tale of ancient kingdoms and colonial influences. Let's journey back in time to an era where Burundi was ruled by mighty kings. These ancient kingdoms, such as Burundi and Rwanda, shaped the early identity of the region, their legacy still visible in today's culture and traditions. Fast forward to the late 19th century, when European powers set their sights on Africa. Burundi, like many African nations, fell under colonial rule. First by Germany and later by Belgium, this period was marked by significant changes. The Europeans introduced new systems of governance, education, and economy, forever altering Burundi's socio-political landscape. One cannot overlook the Hutu and Tutsi ethnic conflict, a tragic chapter in Burundi's history. These ethnic tensions, fueled by colonial policies, led to devastating civil wars that left deep scars on the nation. These historical events have left an indelible mark on Burundi, shaping it into the nation we see today. The echoes of World War II still resonate in Burundi. This small but mighty nation found itself entangled in the global conflict not by choice, but through the chains of colonial rule. Under Belgian control, Burundi and its people were thrust onto the battlefield, their fate tied to a war fought far from their homeland. The war's end, however, did not signify an immediate return to peace for Burundi. Instead, it sparked a journey towards independence, a journey punctuated by political upheaval and social unrest. Yet, through the struggle, a new nation was born. A nation defined not by the war it had endured, but by the resilience of its people. The tales of Burundi's World War II experiences and the tumultuous path to independence are not just remnants of the past, but foundations of the present. The scars of war have healed, but the stories remain, etched into the fabric of Burundi. Burundi is a vibrant tapestry of diverse cultures, a country where the rhythm of life is set by the beat of the drums. Traditional dances like the Intor, a warrior's dance, come alive in spectacular performances, where dancers in vibrant attire leap and spin with a grace that belies the intense physicality of their art. Festivals, too, are a cornerstone of Burundi's cultural heritage. The annual Drum Festival, for instance, draws performers from all over the country, each group adding their unique interpretation to this shared tradition. And let's not forget the customs that thread everyday life. The warm greetings shared between friends, the age-old practice of storytelling under the evening sky, and the shared meals that bring communities together. Influences from neighboring countries have also woven into the fabric of Burundi's culture, adding layers of complexity and richness to this vibrant tableau. This rich cultural diversity is the beating heart of Burundi. In recent years, Burundi has embarked on a path of economic development. This small but vibrant nation has been diligently working towards enhancing its key sectors, such as agriculture, mining, and services, to boost its economic growth. Agriculture in particular forms the backbone of Burundi's economy, employing a substantial portion of its population. While the road to economic progress is fraught with challenges, Burundi has shown resilience and determination. Issues such as limited access to finance, infrastructure gaps, and the need for technological advancements are being addressed head-on. The government's modernization efforts are evident in its pursuit of digital transformation and infrastructural development. Investments in education and healthcare are also playing a critical role in shaping the nation's socio-economic landscape. These investments are aimed at creating a healthier, more skilled workforce capable of propelling the nation towards greater economic prosperity. Despite challenges, Burundi strides forward, its eyes set on a prosperous future. The nation's journey of economic progress, while complex, is a testament to its people's tenacity and their unwavering hope for a brighter tomorrow. Burundi's cultural identity is steeped in myths and folklore. These captivating tales are more than just stories. They're a window into the soul of this vibrant nation. Imagine a world where animals speak, where heroes and villains come to life, and where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Take, for instance, the myth of Riengombe, a heroic figure who, like Hercules, overcame tremendous odds. His tale, filled with courage and strength, is a staple in Burundi's oral tradition, inspiring generations to face adversity with bravery. Then there's the folklore of the sacred drums, Karienda. Revered as the heartbeat of the nation, it's believed these drums possess the power to speak to the gods, playing a crucial role in ceremonies and rituals. These tales, passed down through generations, continue to shape the Burundian way of life. They infuse everyday activities with a sense of magic and wonder, reminding us all of the enduring power of storytelling. Burundi is a nation of diverse states and regions, each with its own unique charm. The country is divided into 18 provinces, each named after their respective capitals. These provinces are further divided into communes and then into collines or hills. Let's start with Bujumbura, the largest city and the economic capital of Burundi. It's a vibrant city with a blend of traditional and modern features. Moving on, we have Gitega, the political capital, known as the heart of Burundi's culture and history. Then there's Bururi, home to Burundi's highest peak, Mount Heha. This region is famous for its rich biodiversity and stunning landscapes. In contrast, Muyinga in the north is known for its agricultural richness, contributing significantly to the nation's food basket. From the rolling hills of Ngozi to the bustling city life in Bujumbura, each region of Burundi tells its own unique story. Religion in Burundi is a beautiful fusion of faiths. In this vibrant nation, faith deeply influences people's lives, shaping their values, traditions, and interactions. The religious landscape of Burundi is predominantly Christian, with Roman Catholicism and Protestantism as the major denominations. However, it's the syncretism of these faiths with indigenous beliefs that adds a unique flavor to Burundian spirituality. Islam also has a presence, mainly among the Swahili communities residing near Lake Tanganyika. And then, there are those who adhere to traditional African religions, their practices often interwoven with elements of Christianity and Islam, creating a uniquely Burundian expression of faith. The religious edifices of this nation, grand cathedrals, quaint chapels, and elegant mosques, are more than just places of worship. They are symbols of the nation's rich religious tapestry and the harmonious coexistence of diverse faiths. This religious diversity is a testament to Burundi's spirit of unity in diversity. Burundi is a treasure trove of breathtaking tourist destinations. Nestled in the heart of Africa, it offers a unique blend of history and nature that is sure to captivate any traveler. Start your journey at the source of the Nile, a stunning natural wonder and the heart of many local legends. Then explore the ancient royal courts at Gitega, where you can delve into the country's rich history and cultural heritage. Don't miss out on the Kibera National Park, home to a diverse range of wildlife and the perfect spot for a thrilling safari. And of course, the Rusizi National Park, where the mighty Rusizi River flows, is a haven for bird watchers and nature lovers alike. For a taste of urban life, Bujumbura, the capital city, offers a vibrant mix of modernity and tradition. Its bustling markets, historic museums, and beautiful Lake Tanganyika beaches offer something for everyone. These destinations await, ready to unveil their stories to the curious traveler. Our journey through Burundi has been a fascinating exploration of its rich history, culture, and more. We've delved into the ancient kingdoms that laid the country's foundations and traced the impact of significant events, from the days of the World War to the path towards independence. We've dipped our toes in the vibrant cultural pool, swimming through traditional dances, festivals, and customs that make Burundi a tapestry of diversity. We've navigated the economic landscape, touching upon the modernization efforts and challenges, and we've wandered through the mythical landscapes that shape the cultural identity. We've journeyed through the different states and regions, each a unique story in its own right. We've explored the religious fabric that influences daily life, and we've visited iconic tourist destinations, each a testament to Burundi's charm. As we conclude this journey, remember, the story of Burundi is far from over. We invite you to explore Burundi, appreciate its unique charm, and share your thoughts in the comments.